Pathmatics Honest Review. Watch before using. Pathmatics is an analytics platform designed specifically for marketers, advertisers, and competitive researchers who need in-depth insights into digital advertising trends and strategies. Whether you're working in a marketing agency, a brand team, or a data-driven research role, Pathmatics offers a wealth of information that lets you see exactly where your competitors are spending their ad budgets and how they're targeting their audience across various channels, including display, mobile, social, and video. The tool provides access to creative assets, ad spend data, impression counts, and even estimated reach, which makes it ideal for developing a clearer picture of your competitive landscape. One standout feature is Pathmatics' Creative Library, where you can view and analyze all of your competitors' creatives. This tool helps marketers understand what's working in their niche by providing data on creative strategies that drive high engagement and audience interaction. Another strong feature is Pathmatics' platform segmentation, which divides data by social platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. With this segmentation, you can see where competitors focus their efforts and understand how they distribute resources across platforms. Pathmatics is also highly valued for its insights into ad spend. This feature offers a detailed breakdown of competitor budgets, helping teams determine their own budget allocations more effectively and giving them insights into the top-performing channels in their industry. For advanced users, the platform includes customizable dashboard options, so you can set up real-time tracking, trend spotting, and reporting that fits your needs. While Pathmatics offers powerful insights, it's best suited for experienced professionals who can interpret data effectively. If you're just starting in digital advertising or looking for basic metrics, this might feel overwhelming. The price point reflects its value for seasoned marketers, so it's definitely more of an investment. Additionally, Pathmatics tends to perform best with US-based brands. International data is available, but not as robust. In summary, Pathmatics is an excellent tool for data-driven marketing teams that require detailed competitor insights to drive strategy and optimize ad spend. However, it's not ideal for beginners due to the learning curve and the high cost, which could be prohibitive for smaller businesses or independent marketers. Overall, if you're in a position where understanding competitor ad strategies and budgeting can directly impact your campaigns, Pathmatics is a smart choice.